Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play a game and watch YouTube at the same time on your PS5 Pro. So to do this, we need to open up the web browser. So let's go to GameBase, go down to Messages, and locate a friend, or you can go to Search-Browser. Just type that in, and this is an account I made. I just sent links to. So you can type in bing.com. I don't believe google.com works, so you just got to go to bing.com, B-I-N-G, and then go to .com, and then you can go to youtube.com through there. So I'm just going to type this in, and boom, it should work. Otherwise, we could try directly typing in youtube.com. Sometimes they get rid of links on here, so they don't work. So let's go to youtube.com and see if this populates on my message. So I'm going to type this in. Can I go to youtube.com? I can. So we can just directly go to this right here. Then we can type something in, or go to the left here under home. Let's go to this guy's channel called Your Six Studios and see if that works. And then I can start playing the game while I have this up. So let's click this in and then go to R2, bring this up and lower the volume. And it looks like there's some videos on here now. Let's click on this video. And I got the video playing, and of course there's ads. But I can press options now and then go to pin to side. And I can pin the video right here while I'm playing on the left. So I can open up Call of Duty now. I can be playing while I have a YouTube video up. Very easy and simple. So it does indeed work. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.